Ever wanted to invest in cryptocurrencies? Well, now you can. Welcome to Gen Z Investors. My aim is to educate you on this new asset class and drive you forwards in the cryptocurrency and digital asset revolution. People tend to fear cryptocurrencies, excluding them from their investment portfolio due to their volatility. At Gen Z Investors, we seek to harness the power of this uncertainty. After all, the cryptocurrency space is still in its infancy. To quote Robert Kiyosaki, people who dream small dreams continue to live as small people. My mission is to teach you using effective methods, including a completely free, easy to follow PDF guide. This guide booklet includes lots of pictures so you can follow along. Tick off the steps as you progress through this course. This course was designed with you in mind. Join Gen Z Investors today to learn about the future of finance and how you can take advantage of this technology.